Here is a wonderful 2020 Hyundai Elantra. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a Hyundai Elantra, the tech-savvy compact that infuses every drive with a fresh feeling of innovation and modern style. From its suite of confidence-inspiring safety features to its svelte and sculpted looks, this driver-focused sedan is an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, power windows. Be inspired to drive your best life in this smart and stylish Elantra. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.